Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the problem of the sphere from analytical geometry. Here in the question, obtain the equation of the sphere having its center on the line. Line is given by 5y plus of 2z is equal to 0 equal to 2x minus of 3y and passing through the points 0 comma minus 2 comma minus 4 and 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Let's solve the problem. Given equation of line is, this is given by 5y plus of 2z is equal to 0 and second is given by 2x minus of 3y is equal to 0 and the points is given by 0 comma minus 2 comma minus of 4 and second is given by 2 comma minus 1 comma minus of 1. Further we know that general equation of a sphere is, this is given by x square plus of y square plus of z square plus of 2ux plus of 2vy plus of 2wz plus of d is equal to 0. Let this equation 1 and the equation 1 passing through the points, equation 1 passing through the points is given by 0 comma minus 2 comma minus of 4 and 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. First we have to pass the given sphere of equation 1 with the point 0 comma minus 1 comma 2. So we have to write here, this is in place of here is this is x, y and z. Putting in place of x we get 0 plus in place of y on squaring minus of 2 we get 4 and in place of z here is minus of 4 on squaring we get 16 plus here in place of x we have to put in 0 we get whole 0 plus of 2 into v into y. In place of y we have to put in minus of 2 and plus of 2 w. In place of z we have to put in minus of 4 plus of d is equal to 0. When solving we get here minus of 4v and here is minus of 8w and here is 16 plus 4 is 20 plus of 20 plus of d is equal to 0 and we can also write the given equation in the form of minus is taking common we get 4v plus of 8w minus of 20 minus of d is equal to 0 and from here we get minus is taken equal to 0 we get 4v plus of 8w minus of 20 and minus of d is equal to 0. Let this equation second and equation 1 passing through the second points. Again we have to let this is x, y and z. Here we have to get on putting in place of x here this is 2 we get 4 and in place of y we have to put in minus of 1 we get 1 and in place of z we can also put minus of 1 squaring minus of 1 we get 1 and plus of 2ux x is 2 into 2 plus of 2v into y is here minus of 1 and plus of 2w into z is also minus of 1 and here is plus of d is equal to 0 and from here we have to solving we get 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6 and here is plus of 4u and here is minus of 2v and here is minus of 2w plus of d is equal to 0 and we can also write here this is 4u 4u minus of 2v minus of 2w plus of 6 plus of d is equal to 0. This is equation third. This is equation third. And the equation of line passing through the center. This is minus of u comma minus of v comma minus of w. So we have to satisfy the given equation of line. So we have to put in place of x, y, z, u, v, w. So the equation of line becomes 5. This is x, y and z. In place of y here is minus of v. So we have to put here minus of v, and 2z here, z is minus of w. Here minus of 2z is equal to 0. 2w is equal to 0. And minus is taking common, and we get 5v plus of 2w is equal to 0. Let this equation fourth. Similarly, and in the second line we can also passing through minus of u comma v comma w, we get minus of 2u, and here is minus of v, and here is plus of 3y. So we have to write here plus of 3v is equal to 0. And let this equation fifth. And solving equation 2, third, fourth and fifth, we get the value of u, v, w and d. So we have to solve the given equation and put in the equation 1. First we have to adding equation second and third. Equation second is given by 4v plus of 8w minus of 20 and minus of d is equal to 0. And the equation third is given by 4u minus of 2v and minus of 2w and plus of 6 and plus of d is equal to 0. We have to adding here minus of d and plus of d is cancelled out, and remaining is here. This is 4u and 4v minus of 2v, we get plus of 2v, and 8w minus of 2w is given by plus of 6w, and here is minus of 20 plus of 6, we get minus of 14 is equal to 0. And from here we have to solving, we get 2 is taking common, we get 2u plus of v, and here is plus of 3w and minus of 7 is equal to 0. Let this equation sixth. And further we have to adding equation fourth and fifth. Here equation fourth is given by 5v plus of 2w is equal to 0, and the equation fourth is 5v plus 2w is equal to 0, and equation 5 is given by minus of 2u and plus of 3v is equal to 0, and we have to adding here, we get minus of 2u and here is 5v plus 3v, this is 8v, and plus of 2w is equal to 0. And from here we have to taking 2 common. 2 is taking common, we get minus of u and minus of u plus of 4v and plus of w is equal to 0. And 2 is taken equal to 0, we get minus of u plus of 4b plus of w is equal to 0. Let this equation 7th. Then we have to solving once again. 4v plus of 8w 2u, we have to solving here. Solving equation 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Equation 6 is given by 2u plus of v plus of 3w minus of 7 is equal to 0. And the equation 7 we have to calculate it here. Minus of u and plus of 4v and plus of w and is equal to 0. And from here we have to multiply. Once again we have to multiplying this equation with 2 and modify the equation. Once again modify the equation, you get 2u plus of v plus of 3w minus of 7 is equal to 0. When we have to multiply equation 7 with 2, we get minus of 2u plus of 8v and plus of 2w is equal to 0. And we have to adding here plus of 2u minus of 2u is cancel out, and here 8v plus v is 9v, and here is 3w plus 2w is 5w, and this is minus of 7 is equal to 0. Let this equation 8th. And we can also here we can writing, and further we have to solving once again. We have to solving equation 8th and 6th, 8th and 4th, sorry. Equation 8th is given by 9v plus of 5w minus of 7 is equal to 0, and equation 4th is given by 5v plus of 2w is equal to 0, and we have to solving here on multiplying. Once again on multiplying with 2, and here multiplying with 5. Then equation becomes 18v plus of 10w, and here is minus of 14 is equal to 0. And on multiplying with the equation 4 with 5, we get 25 of v plus of 10w is equal to 0. And we have to solving on sign changing, plus is minus, here also this is plus, this is 0 plus this is minus, so we have to write in here plus of w and minus of w is cancel out here, and 25v minus of 18v we get, plus of 18 we get minus of 7v, and here is minus of 7v, and here is minus of, here we have to include it here, this is 0, so we have to write in here minus of 14v. minus of 14b is equal to 0, and we get taking minus of 7b is equal to, once again minus is taking common and taking equal to 0, we get 7b plus of, and similarly we can also, once again we have to writing here, this is minus of 7b is equal to plus of 14 and b is equal to minus of 2. We get the value of v. V is minus of 2. So we have from here putting the value of v in equation 4, we get the value of w. So we have to putting here, this is v is minus of 2. On putting this is in place of v, we have to putting minus of 2, we get minus of 10 plus of 2w is equal to 0. And here 2w is equal to 10, we get w is equal to 5. Further, we have to put in equation v and w. Once again, we have to putting also the value of v in equation 5. Once again, putting here the value of v is minus of 2 in equation 5. We get the value of u. This is minus of 2u and plus of 3. And in place of v, we have to putting minus of 2. This is minus of 2 is equal to 0. We get minus of 2u, and this is minus of 6 is equal to 0, and minus of 2u is equal to 6, and 2 3 u is equal to minus of 3. We get u, v and w, and further we have to put u, v, w in the equation 6. Otherwise we can also put in, we can find the value of d. So we have to put the value of u, v, w in equation 3rd. The value of u, v and w putting in equation 3rd, we get the value of d here. Here is 4, and the value of u we have to calculate it here, minus of 3 and minus of 2. We have to calculate the value of v is here, minus of 2. Minus of 2 into, we have to calculate the value of w is 5 plus of 6 plus of d is equal to 0. And from here we have to calculate the value of d. So we have to writing here 4 3 are 12, this is minus of 12, and this is plus of 4, and this is minus of 10 plus of 6 plus of d is equal to 0, and we have to solving here minus of 12 and minus of 10, that is minus 22, minus of 22 and plus of 6 and plus of 4. This is plus of 10 minus of 22, we get minus of 12. Minus of 12 plus of d is equal to 0, we get d is equal to 12. Here we have to 12 minus of 4 is minus of 8, minus of 8 is minus of 18, minus of 18, minus of 12, we get 12. And putting the value of u, v, w, once again, putting the value of u, v, w and d in equation 1, we get the required equation of a sphere. So we have to put in here x square plus of y square plus of z square plus of 2. Here the value of u is minus of 3. So we have to put in here minus of 3 into x and plus of 2. Here the value of v is minus of 2. So we have to put in here minus of 2 plus of 2w. Here the value of w is 5. So we have to putting the value of w is 5 into z, and the value of d we have to calculate it here. This is 12 is equal to 0. And we have to solving, we get the required equation of a sphere. X square plus of y square plus of z square. Here we have to multiplication minus 3 with 2, we get minus of 6x. Here minus of 2 multiply with 2, we get minus of 4y. And here is 5 multiply with 2, we get 10z plus of 12 is equal to 0. This is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you class and thank you for watching.